Well, this is a nice little fairy tale cottage located one block, I forgot, Marwood or something like that, one block east of Wood. And it's majored. It's 1927, 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 1,100 square feet, 1,100 and some odd square feet. And the major disadvantage is that Chapman is right over there. So I've come out to video it, and I am videoing the sound. I'm videoing the sound. Now, if you were to spend a fair amount of money and make some kind of a real sound wall, not just trees, but, you know, a block wall, you might be able to knock that sound down by quite a bit. You wouldn't be able to eliminate it completely, of course, but you could eliminate quite a bit. Man, it's a big backyard too. Wow, what a big backyard. I guess this is their this is their garage. It's kind of 1.5. You know, you can get a car in, plus you've got this space over here. See, like, if you put in this kind of a wall, but you probably have to take it even higher. You know, you'd probably have to take it up to 10 feet or so. In other words, create the kind of sound wall that Caltrans uses to separate freeways from neighborhoods. But, so, I took pictures inside, but now I'm going to run the video inside. So, utility room, washer dryer, yeah, kitchen. This little nook is a little, I guess you'd call it a breakfast nook. It's a great little space. Yeah, this would be a little breakfast nook. This would be the dining area right here. By the way, it's fairly quiet inside. This is
I keep getting out of it. Good. Nice to meet you. Pleasure to meet you. Thank you for your
that's a nice feature, I think. Cabinet in the closet, the back bedroom, the smaller bedroom, and the quieter bedroom because it's farthest from Chapman, from the busy street. This is not really a Jack and Jill bathroom. I mean, well, I don't know, maybe you would consider it. Anyway, this is the bathroom for both bedrooms, and you know, it looks pretty good. A lot of things that you could do. This, by the way, has the old windows, the original windows. And this is the, oh, what's that? Oh, a walk-in closet. Okay, so this is the larger bedroom. It's got a walk-in closet. It's probably plaster. in the vintage that it ought to be
Oh,
plastered.
sorry.
That's all right. It's just going on YouTube. I'm
Oh.
joking. I'm joking. It's not
Are you-
going on YouTube.
Oh, you're really interested in this house, huh?
Well, I'm going to show my son.
Oh, okay. Where's your
Yeah.
son?
He's actually got a home just like 2 blocks away.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
All right.
So he knows the neighborhood. Okay.
Is this
There
ours
it
or
is.
all
No
mine? I would have
reason
double
to
check on
stretch
the
it
tax
out.
laws. Yeah, we'll have
But
to double
these are
check the tax law.
A nice old
You need,
single pane windows.
We'll get back to you, or how do you?
So
I just would like.
I guess you could. Oh, very cool. A speakeasy. Ooh, wow, very nice.
So you just tell me when to find out that down payment assistance programs. Absolutely.
There's a great door here. So we'll come out. I think I started out here, so we'll come out here and turn around and take one final look at it. But yeah, I didn't show you this, and this is part of the charm and appeal of it right here. You know, that's what kind of makes it the Fairytale Bungalow. I guess is one word for it. And we're asking 500 and some odd, which actually seems like it's priced about right, being right here next to Chapman with the noise problem. I'll show you. It's got a big, mature pine tree. Beautiful pine tree. Well, what?
Oh, we're talking to each other.
Oh, okay. I thought you were talking to me. So here, standing right here, I'm about 5 feet away from the sidewalk. And this is the side yard. And there's the turret. And there it is. That's probably shows you enough. I'll just sweep out here so you can briefly see what the rest of the neighborhood is like. Walk through the sprinklers. The sprinklers are on. There it is, right there. And that's the street. You guys have been on this street before. It's a, great street in a great neighborhood. Okay, that's it.